Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. I'm here today to show you a 2017 Toyota Tundra. This is the big V8 5.7 liter four-wheel drive Toyota half-ton truck. This one features a lift kit and the brand name is Ready Lift. It's got Bilstein shocks, 35-inch MT grapplers. They're made by Nitto and they're 20 inches. It's got 20-inch fuel, aluminum wheels, and you can see it's an aggressive tread. And when you're going down the highway, you can kind of hear the tires. It's got some bushwhacker fender flares that are bolted on with some nice stainless hardware. Nerf bars. It's got the clear door edge guards.
Take pictures of starving.
Very nice interior. Yeah. Navigation, backup camera.
Because their job is to report the news.
And the stereo has some upgrades. I'll show you mainly a alpine amplifier. Good cold air, front and rear air. Rear vents, infinity sound with the previous owner's upgrades on the stereo, which are hidden under the seat here. Looks like LC7i audio controller and an alpine. I guess that's an amplifier. Pretty cool truck. It's got a bed cover on the back. They call it a back flip because you can fold it open, store your stuff, keep it dry, or you can fold sections of it open to haul stuff. It's carpeted by a bed rug, and then it also has the spray-in bed liner with the carpet on top. Pretty nice. This truck hasn't had a hard life. It's just been a driver. The only pick I can find on the body, there is a ding that busted the paint on this right rear door, and it's right here. Other than that, it looks pretty amazing. But it's a non-smoker's truck. It does have the tire balance warranty from Discount Tire. The paperwork is in the console. It's got a nice little fold down armrest. Got some nice Toyota rubber mats. Have a look in here on the passenger side. Comfortable seats, lots of storage. The owner's manual. And it did just come from the Toyota dealership. There's a receipt here for Vandergrift Toyota where they did a synthetic oil change, and that was just done a couple days ago. This is the Discount Tire rotate and balance warranty paperwork and the Ready Lift paperwork. On our listing, we're going to have a list of all the extras that the previous owner added. It's not just a Tundra, it's a Tundra with a bunch of stuff. If you got any questions, give us a call. We're Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We're located right here in Mansfield, Texas. But if you're looking for a Tundra with a lift kit, big tires, big wheels, and you don't want to pay the dealership prices, well, look no further. You may have just found your truck. If you got any questions, give us a call. I'm Bronco Bob with Texas Best Used Motorcycles, Mansfield, Texas, and we'd love to sell you this beautiful Tundra by Toyota. Have a great day.